damn it. Oh man, what do we got? What do we got? Let's see. That is not looking pretty today for fucking crypto, isn't it? How's everybody doing? Hang on, I gotta get this shit set up again. Fuck. I don't know, everybody's watching the game right now, right? Is it still on? I think the game's still on. Mm-hmm. Biden throws away the carrots and bought out the sticks. What the hell does that even mean? Was crypto getting clapped again right now? Wow. What a week. I hope everybody's ready for Monday, because I think Monday's going to be pretty exciting. We got CPI coming in for Monday. That's, what is it, Consumer Product Index. Yeah, we got CPI's coming out on Monday. So, I mean, we have actually some, I don't know what I expect from Monday, though. Yeah, we got the Retail Consumer Index is coming out. The Consumer Price Index is coming out Monday. That's right, the CPI. That's what everybody's be focusing on. I know I'm going to be paying attention to that. Crypto is getting smashed. They have been getting smashed. We kind of did a little bit better with crypto, but, I mean, we're not doing that bad. What was the market cap chilling at? I seen it earlier. Where'd it go? Hang on, give me 1 second. But yeah, I'm actually pretty ready for a pretty fantastic Monday. I got a lot of stocks I'm gonna be watching. Gevo, Upstart, Hipo. I'm gonna be watching quite a few, because if it is a down Monday, I actually plan on acquiring a couple positions. I plan on probably exiting out of my SPY puts and using that to acquire some stocks coming in Monday. I mean, I have until Wednesday for those SPY puts when I have to sell them. So we'll see exactly what happens. I'm pretty excited for this week to come up, though. Let me tell you, I have not had an exciting week like this in quite a while. We will see, though. Oh, I need some more there. That is good. This is basically going to be the first full week we've seen in September, so I mean, as long as we don't see a down close on Monday, we'll be cool. I mean, I know I've been talking about a down Friday, down Monday, but if we don't close Monday down, we'll be all right. If we close down Monday, that's not good. That's bad. How Robert Kennedy's assassin was mentored through parole by Surge Knight. Wow, that's crazy. Where's crypto at right now? That's what I was going to look up. Crypto market cap. We're not. Oh, yeah. We actually went negative again. Man, we were doing well on the whole cryptocurrency market cap. We were up at like 2.13, 1.12 trillion. We were positive. Now we actually slipped and went negative. Bitcoin has just been stuck at that 53,000 area. The same with Ethereum. It's been pegged at 3,200. Damn, Cardano gave it all back up. Even Algo gave it all back, because Algo was up at almost, 18%, 16% earlier today. I actually just started grabbing a little bit of algo on Coinbase, just because they give you free shit back, and then Rocket Labs gets a big satellite win. It's more of a new space business. Yeah. This is actually going to be a quick stream, so I'm probably only going to be around for an hour. So if anybody comes in later on in the day, I am actually going to be watching these stocks right here for coming into Monday, coming in on open. Where's it right here? I'll be watching Baba. I have puts on Baba. I actually have puts on DD too, just because of the whole China bullshit going on. I still have my SPY puts. I'm gonna be watching Upstart. Upstart's kind of expensive, so I get it. A lot of people don't want to jump in on this one, but they have been down quite a bit today. So I mean, Upstart has a lot of shit going on with Upstart. All right, wait a minute. What's this? Oh, that's a pretty dog. That's a pretty dog, let me tell you. Damn. Sorry about that. My vote sending me shit. But, I know I had a lot of people asking me, like, why am I shorting the SPY, which made 0 sense, because, I was live when I explained, I gave my thesis behind all that. But, we'll jump in that in a minute, though. But, yeah, I'm going to be watching Upstart, Gevo, and Hipo. I actually want to start grabbing Hipo. Hipo is probably the #1 on my list I'm going to be keeping an eye on. Of course, Rocket Labs is still up there. Firm is up on the list. Firm has been just gassing it. I actually already have a position in the Firm, but man, I kind of wasn't paying attention. I went in and checked my Fidelity account, and let me tell you, they've been gassing it. Almost back up to break even on a Firm, finally. So I will be keeping an eye on a Firm. What's up, Jared? How you doing, bro? I'm doing pretty good, man. Just over here talking about what I'm gonna be looking at coming up into the week. Firm is the main one, just because I have been down significantly on Firm. I jumped in on a Firm during IPO day. It met my criteria, but I got clapped on a Firm. I've been getting clapped on a Firm since the beginning of the year. So a Firm actually has some pretty good news. So I'm gonna be paying attention to them, just so I can get my money back. You know what I mean? Just so I can make these shares for free. And I'm also gonna be watching Blink. But like I said, kind of expect for a fucked up start on Monday, just because of the way the SPY is looking. The SPY doesn't look like it's done giving it up yet. The SPY looks like it wants to come down a significant amount more. Hope you're having a good weekend. All the time, man. You know me. I always have a fantastic week. A weekend, days, I don't care if it's bloody, red. I hope you're having a good weekend, bro. Because I know this last week was pretty nasty. This last week was nasty as fuck, man. But, yeah, I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on the SPY. The SPY looks like it will accelerate a little bit more. Kind of like how we saw on this time. I'm kind of expecting it to be more of how it was back here, where we saw the dip, a rip, and another dip. Not trying to spook anybody, but I am kind of anticipating another rip followed by another dip on the SPY. So just prepare yourselves and do some kind of hedge, get some insurance out there. Then again, remember, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, okay? Right? None of this shit is a recommendation, please. Maybe with the September 11th Memorial, people will feel brought together a bit. Hopefully we are green. My account has taken a huge hit. I gotta be real, and I think it's actually because I wasn't anticipating the SPY to get fucked up till next week. So the fact that it happened this week has me, now I'm not gonna say worried, it has me, excited that what's gonna come for next week. But it's gonna be nasty, bro. It's gonna be nasty. It's going to be a perfect buying opportunity, though. I want everyone to understand that. It's a perfect buying opportunity to go in there and acquire some other assets. Like I said, Hipo, that one's on my list. And especially motherfucking Affirm. Just because I'm barely breaking even on Affirm right now. So I want to get in on Affirm because they're back at IPO prices, and I want to fuck with Affirm. But yeah, I think crypto's getting clapped right now too, bro. It's not even looking nice. Yeah, crypto went negative for the whole day again. We were doing positive earlier. We were negative 0.35. We were just negative 0.7. We just accelerated a lot. Dude, we just drive down to 2.07 trillion on the whole market cap. There goes fucking Bitcoin back almost. It's going to go below 45,000 again. Never mind, it just hit 45.1. It can't go on 45,000 again. If it does, that's going to be nasty coming tomorrow. And of course, still watching Acoustic Therapeutic, but I mean, we got to be real. Like we all know, we're early on Acoustic Therapeutic. I'm actually happy with my position on Acoustic Therapeutic. I have plenty of time on the calls, on the contracts. We got plenty of time on everything. You know what I mean? Going to 725K. Let's go. He said going to 25K. That's what people are saying, but I mean, you got to remember these when they say like it's gonna go to 100, or even when they say, they're always off about 20%. So I mean, 25K. I mean, I don't know about 25K. Maybe. I mean, it's there. If it does, I mean, I really don't. It's cool because, I mean, Ethereum literally needs to shave another $2,000. Maybe even at $2,000, I might want to buy Ethereum. But, I mean, Ethereum needs to give up a whole digit for me to want to fuck with Ethereum again. It's not a buying opportunity for me. I mean, shit, I remember buying Bitcoin when it was at like $6,000 and we sold that bitch at 53. Let's see. Doge is at 2409. Doge is getting beat up. It went negative. I mean, it's been flat. Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, and even Binance have been just flat since that whole sell-off. We've had a couple pops here and there. I know fucking Algo is the only other coin I have that is actually doing well. Even the new coin I've been starting to buy, that SC coin, they're down. Damn, they're barely at 19 cents. I started buying them at like almost 21, almost 2 cents, or 2.5 cents. I started buying them. It'll be good though. We'll be all right, man. It'll be another good day coming in Monday. And I am still shorting BABA. I have puts on BABA. So BABA and the SPY are probably the only ones that are going to be pretty big winners for me. And don't forget about Zynga. Zynga's going to do pretty good too with that whole fucking Apple antitrust bullshit. I actually wanted to short Apple, but I'm kind of I don't know. I don't want to do too many puts. I'm good with my BABA puts, my DD puts, and my SPY puts. I don't want to be fucking putting puts all crazy out there. You ever heard of Theta Coin? Yeah, I've heard about Theta Coin. I think somebody gave me some Theta Coin not too long ago on my Coinbase. Or no, on my Pancake Swap. Somebody sent me Theta on my Pancake Swap account. Yeah, I'm going to be watching DD though. DD, I think DD and Bob are going to get just fucked up coming into this next trading week by China. DD has just been, Baba's just been getting clobbered. I mean, last time I talked about Baba, I said Baba could make it down to 133 area. I mean, there's a possibility Baba can, I mean, shit, if China escalates it the way they are, they can come back down to $100. China's there, they're clapping down on all the rich people. They ain't fucking around over there. They're clapping down on everybody, man. It almost seems like what Biden's trying to do. Hey, did you hear about all those nurses that went out, resigned from that New York hospital? I guess that northern New York, they're not going to be delivering babies no more because there's no maternity nurses there. Because they all walked out because of fucking Biden's mandate. Crazy, bro. That's crazy. I kind of want to keep an eye on Apple and see what the hell Apple does. I think Apple's going to get beat up coming in next week. I think a lot of investors weren't paying attention to what happened. There was just so much shit going on this last week. I mean, it was a pretty slow trading week, but I mean, there was actually a lot happened this last week. A lot happened. A lot of people got clapped this last week. They're getting crazy, forcing stuff on everyone. Yeah, it's getting out of control. Like, I mean, you can't do that, Biden. You know what I mean? I understand what they're trying to do and all, and I get it that, you know, it's starting to accelerate again, but you cannot. But this is not China, bro. This is not North Korea, okay? You know what I mean? You just know, Biden, you can't do it. I mean, what would be the best thing for Biden to do and to give people that are like on the fence about the vaccine? Because you got to remember, that fool came out and said he didn't trust the vaccine because it was Trump's vaccine. So, I mean, he needs to come out and man up and be like, I was wrong. You know what? Because it ain't his vaccine. It's still Trump's vaccine. But, you know, because he came out, he put a lot of FOMO out there in the world because of the vaccine. He said it was Trump's vaccine. He didn't trust it, and he didn't think he wasn't going to get it. Even though his dumb ass got the vaccine before he was even in the house, which makes zero sense. We have already given up so many of our rights. Yeah, we just can't. People can't do it. Cannot do it. Crypto Millionaire Isaac, friends, how you doing, Crypto Millionaire, man? Getting ready for Monday. Getting ready for the Monday, baby. I got a couple things on my list. Still short in DD, still short in BAVA, still short in SPY, but I want to go long. I am long on Affrm. I want to get more Affrm, like I was saying right now. And I want to acquire more. I want to keep an eye on Hipo. Hipo, I think, is at a very good price where it's at. Going to get a lot crazier in the coming years. Man, it's going to get fucking ape shit, dude. Like, someone needs to take that fool out. Somebody needs to take him out. I know, look at account. Yeah, don't look at the account because crypto's getting beat up right now. The crypto account is coming down. We just went negative on the whole crypto market cap. We're chilling at 2.07 trillion on the whole market cap. Bitcoin's back down at 45.11. Ethereum's chilling at 33.30. But yeah, everybody's waiting for next week. Monday's gonna be crazy. Red. Trump will win 2020. Man, I mean, I hope he does. Like, look at me. I'm half Spanish. I'm half Mexican. So, I mean, I got a lot of family in Mexico. I mean, the border, we need the border. You know what I mean? We need it. We need to protect ourselves. So, I mean, I was for it in a sense. You know, so, but yeah, I think Trump was killing it for us. Trump was, he knew what he was doing. I mean, this fool Biden goes in there and talks and he makes everybody depressed. He doesn't even know what he's talking about. He was talking about 2020. It's like, bro, we're not even in 2020 no more. We're in 2021. Wake the fuck up. Yes, Red. No, not Crypto Millionaire. I think Red is good though. I'm gonna be averaging down on a lot of companies coming in this next week. I think we're gonna have a lot of buying opportunities. So I mean, everybody needs to put their emotions to the side and put their instant gratification to the side and just, you know, try to find some value stocks. Try to find value in this red. Try to find some stocks that you want to acquire. Try to find some that you need to average in. You know what I mean? Hopefully we'll see some good options for AQST therapeutic. I mean, you know what I mean? Shit, I'll grab. What the hell is that? I don't even know what that ticker is. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping we can come and grab some more cheap-ass AQST therapeutic. I'm not even tripping about the ones I have. I'm looking at grabbing a whole nother set of contracts right here, these ones. Actually, no way. I'm looking at the $2.50 ones because I want to make bank off this company. Especially with the open interest just chilling at 514. And implied volatility is right there at 149. I mean, it looks pretty good. And theta is barely, like, I'm not going to lose much decay with time decay on this one. Look at the camera, right? I know, man. Yeah, we can't just get a lot of people over here that have no accountability. It's crazy. Crime rate everywhere are up 100%. Yep, and Biden. And it's only getting worse. Damn, Bitcoin's about to go under $45,000. It's at, it's at 45,078 right now. Damn, it loses another $100. That's bad. What happened? Even Solana got beat up. Solana was trading at 192 the last time I seen it. What the fuck? It's back down at 172. Yeah, I hope everybody stays safe out there. We'll be good though. We'll be all right. I mean, we've been through worse here in the States, I guess. I mean, this is just, Biden's a fucking idiot. I mean, first he went out there and he told all the vaccinated people to take their mask off. They didn't need to wear masks. I mean, that was the dumbest thing that motherfucker could have went out there and said. Now he's gonna come back in and be like, "Oh, put your mask back on." Like, which one is it, dude? Hell, I could have done a better job at running this shit than Biden. Let me tell you. Just give me a 12-pack and I would have been good a day. 12-pack a day? No. Dude, I've been getting so many messages on fucking Twitter and shit asking like short and shit, and man, what do you mean? I explained it. Just come on my live stream. You'll catch it. You'll catch it. I'm hoping we get some good news. I mean, it actually hasn't really been any good news. I mean, if you really think about it, I mean, the Apple news wasn't really good. It's bad news because Apple's fucking, I call Apple a defensive stock, which is not like Lockheed Martin, not a defensive stock, but it's like my defensive line. It's Facebook, Google, Apple, Netflix, fucking, who else is up there? I think those are the only ones. Yeah, those are my defense stocks right there. But I mean, once a defensive stock gets beat up, it usually sucks. But I think Apple's going to do all right, though, from it. I still think Apple's going to shave a little bit more, though. They'll probably lose another, like, $10 maybe. Because they're still trying to play it like it's not a big deal. Okay, crypto's kind of getting its footing. It went down to it's back up at negative 0.25. As long as Bitcoin stays above 45, it should be all right. I mean, Ethereum's been dancing at that, what, 3,300 area for past few days now. I'm hoping we get some good news. Yeah, I'm hoping so too, man. I hope we get something. Like, I don't even know, dude. Like, I mean, you got kids, the schools that are going back to distance learning. I mean, you got people don't want to go back to work. They're scared. They're scared of getting Delta. They're scared of getting infected again. I mean, Biden was always against the way that Trump did everything anyways. He was against when fucking Trump locked down the borders and shut everything down. They called him, what was it, fucking xenophobic. You know what I mean? I mean, what the hell? I mean, Australia just got done locking their shit down. I think Australia is doing a little bit better. Well, yeah, because Australia already cut their rates. They weren't supposed to cut their rates. They did their rate cut early. I kind of want the feds to cut the rates and raise the rates, because I actually look at the Fed, at them raising the rates as an indication that our economy is prospering and is doing good, because I mean, they have to raise the rates. I don't know. We'll see though. It's gonna get fucking messy though. I hope everybody's ready though. Get some armor on. Get some insurance out there. Get some insurance, man. Insurance is the best thing you can do. Fucking hedge yourself against some bullshit like this happening. But yeah, that was nasty though. Solid. It's positive. I mean, they kind of gave a lot up after everything yesterday. I think, like I've said, I think a lot of investors weren't really. We gotta let the market digest what happened with Zynga. A lot of people weren't. I mean, I don't think a lot of people understood what happened. I mean, a lot of people saw like the Apple trust thing going on, but I mean, how many people were out there like, well, fuck, let's look into that, let's look into Zynga, let's look into Roblox, let's look into fucking AppLovin, let's look into Match.com. You gotta look at the ones that are gonna The sympathy plays is what I call them. Who's going to get sympathy from Apple getting clapped? Who's going to get sympathy from Baba getting clapped? Who's going to get sympathy from SPY getting clapped? There's always somebody out there who's going to get sympathy from it. That's the number one thing we need to find. Sympathy plays. Those are the best ones to get, baby. Let me tell you. Especially when it's good news like that with Apple. That's a huge ass sympathy play. Let me tell you. Yeah, Zynga's going to do pretty well because Zynga actually pays a lot to Apple. They pay a huge amount to Apple. If you look at Apple's balance sheet and all that, they make a lot off of Zynga. They've been ripping this company off for a very long time. But like I said, the one company I'm most interested in with is Epic Games. I want to know what's gonna happen with Epic Games because they were gonna go public a year ago before this bullshit happened. They were just about to talk. They were just in talks about doing it. Yeah, Zynga's looking actually pretty strong where it's at on the 30-minute one. As long as it's able to bounce off this 152 right here, which I mean. If it wasn't for Apple's news, we definitely wouldn't have saw this change in trajectory. I mean, because this was China right here. That's what happened right here. This was some of the China bullshit. This was some of the China bullshit right here, too. When they came out and said they were going to limit their, the kids were only allowed to play so much gaming. That's what happened here. This was all China bullshit. This was China limiting the only weekends for children to play games. Only like, I think, an hour a day or some shit like that. Remember last week I was talking about they got these Chinese kids that need fucking rehab for the games and shit. So yeah, Zynga actually, I think Zynga can cover this gap up right here with the Apple news. I think it'll be able to get us back up into the game on Zynga. That's what we needed. We need a big catalyst for Zynga to go back where it needed to be. Because, I mean, honestly, Zynga's been getting smashed on for quite a while now. Because this was COVID right over here. Where was COVID at? I mean, damn, they actually did pretty good during COVID, though. But that China shit fucked them up, though. Because China started their bullshit right here. Huge market cap. So yeah, I think the news has to digest for sure. Yep, for sure. I mean, Zynga's actually been up there for a while. I have to go look it through all my accounts, but I think I have like maybe I think I have a few free shares of Zynga with Webull or Robinhood. Somebody gave me free shares with them. But it's gonna be huge. That's like the catalyst. That's the catalyst. That's what we mean by catalyst. That Apple news. That's a huge catalyst right there. Affirm, they've just been going ape shit off of their news, but I mean, like I said, I've been down on Affirm for quite a while. Damn, I can't believe I got to go into the week chart just to look back that long. Stocks because Apple's dropping is scaring people. And that's the sucky part because, like I said, Apple is a defensive stock. I mean, people run in there when they need to put defense on. When we're losing, we're getting fucked up. A lot of people run into Apple a lot of times. So the fact that Apple's the one that's getting beat up, that sucks. But some plays should be fine. Oh yeah. I still think, like I said, I mean, I'm a long-term investor in Apple. I mean, I've given everybody my thesis behind it, why I invest in Apple. I mean, all my computers are Apple. Everybody in my house uses Apple phones. I mean, we've been using Apple phones since what? Since Verizon was able to get the Apple. That's how long we've been with Apple phones. Because, you know, Verizon didn't get the Apple phone for a while. That was like 2013, I think, 2011. That's how long I've been with Apple. So, I mean, I am a pretty long-term investor with Apple. I mean, fuck, I got 3 Apple computers just right here. Fucking 2 Apple Minis and 1 iMac. But, yeah, I still think Apple should come down significantly because of that bullshit. How was your AT&T play? Actually, I haven't even looked at AT&T just because I got some time on it. Like I said, I mean, even that one I think people need to digest, but it's holding up solid. We're staying up above 27 bucks. Nah, actually, we gave it all back with the market, so we're back where the news happened. So I'm actually down on AT&T right now. But I think I got about, what options did I get? I have a set of these the $28 ones, and then I think I have the November 19th ones. So I still have time. I mean, no, not the November ones. Oh yeah, I do have the November ones. I didn't give myself enough time. Yeah, I have the $31 ones. I think I got like 10 of them. So yeah, I am down significantly. Damn, bro. Yeah, because I paid like, I think I paid $32. No, $22 for each one of these ones. So I'm down a lot on those. That's why I always get my plays time, though. I mean, I you know, once you understand that your plays need time to do what they need to do, then you'll be all right. I remember before when I first started trading, I was like, you know, because I mean, shit, there's been a lot of time, me especially being in when the coronavirus, I mean, there's a lot of times when you get in a trade and you make money back right away, but you just got to give it time. Just give yourself plenty of time and you'll be all right. Like with the QSIC therapeutic. What are we looking at on these ones over here? Oh, man, they came down a lot, huh? No, these ones aren't actually doing too bad. I think when Omar was looking at them, they're at like, what, 120? So they're still not doing that bad. Yeah, but even that AT&T play, I think we were early on that because I really didn't see I didn't see nobody talking about it. I didn't see no big newscast talking about it, nobody. So we got to wait for, I don't know, we got to wait for people to catch on to it. Because even I asked people about that. Like, what do you think about Bloomberg, or not Bloomberg, but Berkshire Hathaway taking a position in AT&T? And they're like, we don't know nothing about it. Or a stake in them. I actually think this week was was real slow because of what happened to crypto. I think a lot of traders said, fuck this, we're not even going to play this week. I'm out. Yeah, man, crypto's about to go negative 1%. Bitcoin's at $45,017. It's about to go under 45. Fuck, Binance is back down to 408. I think those can come back soon. I think they're all going to come back soon. I mean, I still stand firmly. I mean, I still stand firm where I'm at with my conviction level. I think all these are still going to kill it. The taper don't really scare me. I mean, even the rate hike don't really scare me. I mean, fuck, even inflation don't scare me. I mean, because I honestly don't see inflation. I don't see the rate hike being worse than COVID. You know what I mean? I mean, when we locked down last year, that was the worst thing that could have happened to the economy. Now, if we do another full lockdown, then that's going to be the next worst thing that can happen. Unless we go to a full lockdown again, there's no way I see us going back to March areas. I think Zudin coin can be a good idea. Yes. I've been messing some of that. I don't know. It will be. It will be. By the time we're ready to do that, we'll be out of all this bullshit. We'll be well into 2022 because 2022 is going to tell us a lot. Martial law, bro. Don't play. That's scary. If that happens, then I'm going to tell my wife and kids I'm basically Nostradamus because I told them we were going to have some fucked up pandemic happen and we should go live on a yacht. And then I said either that or a martial law. So if we have a pandemic and then oh yeah, that's all fucked up, bro. Yeah, martial law is bad. I think we've only had like what 2 5-star generals in the whole U.S. military history, maybe 3. No, 2. There's only been 2. Martial law is when the military takes over. That's when the government has no say. The military law takes enforce. The regular court system has no say no more. That's usually when when they get together and they deem the president of the United States a liability or a security risk or a threat to the United States. That's usually when the military takes over. That's all bad. That's when they start implicating fucking curfews. They just, yeah, it's bad. That's bad martial law. That's not funny at all. Yeah, basically, yeah, martial. I could be wrong, but I think martial law, basically, the regular court system has no say no more. Basically, the military takes completely over. The president has no say. Everybody in his team has no say. Which, damn, I mean, that's fucked up to think about it because his whole team's incompetent right now. They're a threat. I think Biden's presidency rests on his ability to get COVID under control. If he is unable to get COVID under control, they're going to get rid of that dude. I mean, I understand the whole Taliban, Afghanistan thing was one thing, but I mean, Trump gave that fool fucking a full deck of cards for fucking the Delta shit. Basically, yeah, like China. Because China, basically, their military controls everything. But their president, Xi Jinping, whatever the fuck is Xi Jinping, whatever his name is, he runs the China military. So, like, Biden wouldn't run shit. The military would come in, they would reinstate a 5-star general, which, like I said, the United States has only seen, like, maybe 2 or 3 5-star generals through the whole history. And then it would be a wrap. It would be basically like China. And so like that, I don't know exactly how it works, but I know a bunch of the generals get together, and I think, not even the security defense is part of it or whatever, but just all generals get together and they appoint a 5-star general. Because I think the highest we have here in the States is a 4-star general. The 5-star general, that's just for fucking martial law only, or for times of like war, I think. Yeah, I think times of war and on martial law is the only times they can reinstate a 5-star general. But yeah, that's scary shit right there to think about. That's all bad. Because you know what that'll do to the economy? I mean, that's going to shut down the stock market, the U.S. stock market. We're a big player in the world economy. I mean, that's bad. That's worse than coronavirus. This guy just makes things up. Democrats create their own news, right? They do. They make whatever they want. I mean, they own the fucking news companies. Why do you think I don't really pay attention to CNBC, Fox News, and all those big news broadcasters? I'd rather be on fucking Twitter listening to all the random people in the world. You know what I mean? Shit. I know, like it. Dude, I'm telling you, man, I remember how stressed I was that day. I went around, I almost had a panic attack telling the wife and kids how fucked we are because Biden was the president and Trump lost. And they were like, you're overreacting, old man, relax. Yeah? Well, guess what? 6 months, almost a year later, look what happened. I called it. I was like, this is not good. This is fucking bad with that dude in the house again. You see how many people are booing him, though? They're like, boo, Biden, boo. They're doing it at the football games. They did it at the 9/11 fucking, the memorial. You get famous, tell people, you pop soon. Hey, that's why I like Crypto Billionaire. You, Jared, everybody else, like, that's been coming in here, like, you know how this room's gonna blow up when AQST Therapeutic hits $9. You know that, right? When we hit $9, motherfuckers are gonna be in here, piling in here to get in here. Well, we've been talking about it for the past, I don't know how many months. You know, we've been talking about this company for the past 3 weeks now. 3 weeks now. This is the third week we've been talking about it since you guys have been coming in here. I forgot who it was. Somebody came in here and they tried telling me about AQST therapeutic, but I told them, I'm like, look, we need a little bit more time. We're not there yet. I think it was Omar or Lamar. Somebody did. Nah, we'll be good. We'll be good. Yeah, I'm ready for Monday to come, though, boy. I'm ready for the SPY to come down just a little bit more. I know I hate saying it all, but you know what I mean? I mean, fuck. I gave my thesis on it that day. I explained my thought process on the SPY put. Just think of SPY as puts as an expensive insurance policy. Remember that, an expensive insurance policy. Because I think I paid $185 per contract. Zooted. Oh yeah, I'm back. Oh, I'm back. Where's Crypto at? Let me see. Yeah, but I'm ready, man. I'm fucking excited, dude. I don't know if anybody can tell, but I'm fucking so ecstatic about this next week coming. Whew. I'm so excited about Monday, man. I can barely even control myself. I might not even go to sleep tonight, bro. I might not even go to sleep tonight, dude. Like, I don't think a lot of people understand, like, the like, how important this Monday is. I really don't think people understand it. Oh, look at this, too. I want everybody to check this out right here. I guess a little 8 figure some shit out. GM8 found Hedgie's plan archived in 2004 forum post. Their game plan is called Seller Boxing. I don't know if anybody read this right here, but, you know, I do a lot of Reddit reading and shit. But in order to participate in Seller Boxing, the MMS first need to pummel the price of per shares down to the least levels. The lower they can force the share prices, the larger are the percentages spreads to feed off of. I'm fucking, they were eating it, dude. They were eating for a long time. The hedgies are still up a lot off of what they did to GameStop. What they've been doing to them. Naked short sellers, but I mean, it ain't nothing gonna happen to them though. Damn, bro, SOL, what you do, bro? You were up at fucking one. God damn it! What the fuck? You gotta be fucking kidding me, man! Like over like an hour ago, this motherfucker was at. Man, are you fucking kidding me? You were at 191 a few hours ago. Just a few days ago, you some bit damn. But actually, I like where Solana is right now. It needs to bounce right off this 152, but it is at a key ass level though. Like, I don't know. I think Solana might give it back up and come back down to this 251 area. If it's able to gas it up from this area, then we'll be able to make it up to the next leg. But damn, we've already pushed so many legs up. Will you be doing market open? Hell yeah, bro. Live, I'm going to be here. I'm going to be here early. I want to be up at 5:30. I'll be up at like 4:30, and then I'll be live at 5:30. You have an AMC call for Friday? Hell yeah, bro. That's, I mean, I haven't played no AMC calls, but man, I hope you kill it. AMC has been nothing but phenomenal. But yeah, especially on Friday. Fridays are, whew, that's gonna be a butterfly day for you, huh, Jared? I played AMC on those Fridays sometimes, man. They give you fucking straight butterflies. Like, what's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Anything can happen. Especially on a Friday. You can get a call sweep, you can get a put sweep. Nah, you'll be good though, bro. AMC, I mean, like I've been saying, AMC has been nothing but impressive since day one. What's your what do you got? What's your strike price? What are you looking at on AMC, Jared? I see we got another like out there. Who's out there creeping? Oh, we got 56, eh? 56. Oh man, I gotta get 13, 20 strike prices out for that one, huh? You were really going out there, huh? Not too bad, not too bad. Are you up on them right? You should be up on them right now, though, right? Depending on when you bought them. If you bought them on a red day, you would definitely be up right now. I hope you bought them on a red day, bro. Yeah, because on a red day, that would have put it back over here in this area. Shit, if you would have got those motherfuckers on 903, I mean, they were still hella expensive, but damn, they would have been killing it. Nah, I bought them at the peak Friday. God damn it, Jared. Don't worry, bro. I do that shit too, man. Why do you think I'm clapped on those AT&T calls? Because I got them when they were fucking oversaturated like a motherfucker. My dumb ass is chasing them down, but it's cool. It's cool. I got time. I got time on them. That's why I always say buy them on a red day, bro, because you will thank yourself later. Thought it was going to start running, probably wasted 600. Yeah, I've done that shit myself, Jared, plenty of times, man. I've thrown plenty of money away like that. It's just squeeze up a little. I mean, every time there's been very few times. I'm always late. I'm usually about 2 weeks late to the party. Even though lately I've actually been on time for the party though. And you know, I actually give it mostly to the live streams, bro. Prior to doing live streams, I was actually about a week or two late on most of my calls. But since doing live streams and damn, being like a little fucking news broadcaster basically is all I'm doing. Yeah, but AMC's gonna kill it though. AMC, we still got a lot of people holding on to it. Hello, what's good, people? What's good, man? I'm like, man, another day, just getting ready for Monday. I'm telling you, it feels like it's Christmas. It feels like it's Christmas. I don't know what I'm gonna get. It could be fucking some coal. It could be some gold. I got a couple bad plays out there I'm in right now. You guys have seen me made a few that are down right now. AT&T, I'm currently down on AT&T. You guys have seen me make the Astra plays. Hell, I started buying Astra, a couple weeks ago when they did that launch. I mean, I'm in Astra at 11.25. I need to bring my average down significantly on Astra, and I think I have about 150 shares of Astra space. So, I mean, they're not all winners. I mean, not all of them. But I'm early. I hope I'm early on Astra. They need to get their fucking shit together over there. I don't know what the hell they're doing. They need to add more fucking thrusters on there. They only got a fucking 4-rocket thruster system on there. There's only 4 rockets on their booster. So, I mean, you got to have a minimum of 6. I mean, shit. 7 will be, better. Because once you lose 1 with 4, then the other ones need to take up a significant amount of the slack of the force. That's what makes the Raptor, the Falcon it's better. Even the ones with Rocket Lab, they have a 7. They have a 7 system rocket setup, just like what SpaceX uses on their Falcon. 6 on the outside, 1 in the center. So that way it can cut the slack up. If you only have 4, you got 1 that goes down. Then the other half, 33.3%. They need to get to 93%. I mean, they need to take up a lot more slack. I need to send them an email. Like, look, bro, you guys need to make a bigger booster. We need 6 on their minimum. 4 is not going to cut it, bro. Maybe 5, but nah, it needs to be fucking 7 minimum. on a rocket thruster to be able to be significant. Because even on the new SN20, they got what, 3? They got at least 6 on the new one. 3 are the vacuum ones, and then the other 3 are regular Raptors. So yeah, I guess a minimum of 6 is what you need. Sound like a big ass nerd over here talking about rockets and shit. I love it. Another day. But yeah, I like Rocket Labs where it's at. Rocket Labs is at, I mean, because it's a solid company. They just got a huge deal that's some damn company in England for shooting satellites for internet. And on top of it, they have $171 million backlog for launches. I mean, they ain't landing rockets. They ain't doing nothing. They ain't doing nothing like crazy. They're just catching them with helicopters. Like, if you haven't seen Rocket Labs, you should definitely go watch their video on how they get these fucking rockets. They come with a parachute, and then a helicopter comes in and swoops it up. It's actually pretty cool. I mean, it's something new. It works. I mean, I don't know why the U.S. government didn't think about that. NASA should have thought about that shit. This is coming and grab with a helicopter. But yeah, I'm down on Astra though a lot. Astra Space. I didn't know Rocket Labs was actually public until a couple weeks ago. I mean, shit, I've been watching this company for a while too. It's fucking stupid. Hey, who won the game today? Anybody see? I didn't even pay attention. My dad's team's the Bengals, you know. Oh wait, is it the Bengals? Or is it the Browns? No, my dad's team's the Browns. They ain't been good since 84, 85. Or is it the Bengals? I think it is the Bengals. Chilling. Which one? The Bengals. The Bengals and the Rams, right? Tell me the Rams won. The Bengals won in overtime. Damn, bro. Are you serious? That's fucked up. That's cool, though. I mean, the Bengals, you know, they usually do hard, though. They do pretty good, you know. And then they kind of suck towards the end of the year, though. Yeah, that's my dad's team. I don't talk to that guy no more. Browns are playing the Chiefs now. The Browns, hey, man, I mean, yeah, the Browns, I got a buddy who has been a hardcore Browns fan. But, man, you know, they ain't been good since 84, 85. That was the last time they did really, really good. That's the time they made it to the Super Bowl, wasn't it? Yeah, I don't even watch football no more. Shit, I stopped watching football a long time ago. Ever since the whole bullshit with, because I was always a big Raiders and a Cowboys fan. So when they moved the Raiders and then the bullshit with the Cowboys, I was like, never mind, I'm out. Browns look good. Yeah, the Browns do look good. That's nice. They need to get their shit together. It's been a long time. Shit, I might just have to start watching football again. Oh, shit. Look at that. It's almost done. Now he's got to sand it and paint it. I like Giants now. Yes. Oh, yeah. No, it's a Death Trooper helmet. I'm working on the bodysuit right now. A Death Trooper and a Stormtrooper, they have the same suit. The only thing different is the Death Trooper has the cape and a different weapon and the helmet. But it's for my son for Halloween. He wanted to be a Death Trooper and he wanted to buy a fucking getup off of line for... He wanted to pay like $1,500, bro, for this Halloween costume. I was like, man, I can make that shit. Let me buy a couple 3D printers, a bunch of filament, and we're good. And then, shit, 2 months later, I'm popping shit out on that 3D printer. What's going on, Cobbs? How you doing, man? Isaac, we back, baby. Let's see what you got cooking up for us tonight. Well, you see what we got. I mean, we got right here. This is actually what I am looking at, bro. I'm looking at Affrm because Affrm is about to blow up, and I'm barely going positive on Affrm. I bought Affrm back in IPO price around here, and I actually want to grab some more Affrm. They have been overextended like a motherfucker, but they're gonna get it. And the other one I'm watching is Hipo. I think Hippo's actually a pretty solid company right now where it's at. I mean, they've been getting smashed on for a little while. Yeah, I think I like Hippo a lot where it's at. I think Hippo's gonna do some shit right now. Not, you know, that's just what I'm looking forward to. Basically, what you see on here, this is all what I'm looking at for this next week. I'm looking at Zynga, Astra. I need to get, you know, I'm down significantly on that company, but Upstart, Giovanni, and Hippo, Affrm, Blink, and Rocket Labs, actually. What are you looking at, Kobos? How's your channel going over there? I watched some of your videos, man. I like what you got going on over there. Dude. Oh shit, I got one left. Damn, bro. Thought I killed all those already. I was gonna say, shit, I need to go get another 6-pack. He said, hello, Lo, I like Upstart a lot. I've been hearing a lot about Upstart. So, I mean, I know a lot of other YouTubers, and it's been coming across the wire a lot that people have been, like, on Reddit and shit. I see a lot of people posting about it on Twitter. So, I want to keep an eye on Upstart. I really don't know what they got going on, though. I'm just following the hype, though. No bullshit. Shorting the SPY and shorting Baba and Didi kind of got me jacked up on puts, though, a little bit. So, I got to calm down. But yeah, I'm doing good, Cobes. Doing good, man. Just still watching the SPY. I think the SPY is gonna get clapped a little bit coming into Monday a little bit, but I think we're gonna recover from it. And I still, like I said, with the Apple bullshit, Apple needs to come down some more. I mean, fuck that. Shit, y'all already know, Jared. I got my burner accounts out there doing work. I got my burner accounts doing work, bro. Hey, shh, you didn't hear that here though. Yeah, I've been doing my shit every day. I hope everybody's been doing it, man. Go out there, you know, spam my AQST therapeutic video, because that video was straight to the point and explained it all. It wasn't no bullshit about like, well, this could happen, that can happen. No, I mean, because at the end of the day, everybody comes to YouTube because they want to know what the fuck you're doing. You know what I mean? What's your plan? How do you plan to fix this shit? We don't want to hear like what could happen and what could not happen. You know what I mean? All time, Jared. But yeah, and just let everybody know, probably next week I will be going back and doing a little bit of automotive repair here and there, but it ain't gonna interfere with my streams. I will still be streaming every day on market. I don't give a fuck. Like, you know what I mean? I'm just getting a little bored at home. You know what I mean? And I got this baby skin. Let me tell you, this baby skin is not happening. It can't have. You know, I touched my fucking my filament was coming out of my printer earlier, and it burnt me. Like, I was like, it hurt. I was like, it hurt. I'm like, fucking sensitive ass skin and shit. I mean, I remember I had calluses on calluses. You know what I mean? Like, look at this shit, soft as hell now. nah, I gotta get back out there and rebuild some turbos and shit. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'll be back and turning some wrenches this next week. But I gotta go Monday, talk to my cousin, and let him know, like, look, bro, I can't interfere with my YouTube. Don't fuck with my YouTube community. Don't fuck with my stocks. Don't fuck with my crypto. I can come fuck with you after 1 o'clock when the market's closed, and that's about it. Because, I mean, I've been here at home for what, the past, since February? Since February, not doing nothing but trading stocks. And, like, barely, it took me a little while. I don't know why the fuck I didn't start talking more about stocks, like doing YouTube videos. Took me a little while to actually catch on that because, like I said, I've been trading since 2019. I should have been making videos since 2019. God damn it. But, you know, like I said, it's never too late to start. Well, yeah. Hope everybody's ready for a good week up ahead. Like I said, Zynga's going to be... I think Zynga's going to get it. I hope anybody out there who's been investing in it, they've held on because, I mean... I thought about getting involved in this company a while ago, but I mean, I just didn't like the fees they were paying to Apple. They were paying way. I was like, well, shit, why own Zynga when I can own Apple? Because Apple's Apple's draining these motherfuckers. But yeah, Zynga actually, yeah, I mean, yeah, I think Zynga's gonna do well. Zynga and who was the other one? AppLovin was doing well too. AppLovin Co. They killed it. They killed it off of that fucking antitrust fucking bullshit with Apple. They went up. They held it solid. So, I mean, I think AppLovin can be a pretty solid winner just because they basically kept all the gains they got back on Friday from Apple's fucking antitrust shit. They went up 8.85%. I mean, Zynga just barely went up to what? I guess they did 7%. They're not too bad. Not too bad. And I gotta look and see what Gevo does. But yeah, don't forget to make your post. Go out there, share the video, smash that like, subscribe. If this is your first time tuning in, don't forget none of this shit's ever a recommendation. Okay? Because I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I just go with my gut feeling, bro. I'm telling you, I go with my gut feeling. I would have never bought those SPY puts if my gut didn't feel it. As soon as my gut was like SPY puts, and I was like, word, it looks good, get it. Everybody asked me too, like, you think, damn, I mean, you know, my bad. I didn't think it was gonna crash earlier though. Shit, we can go back and look at that Wednesday video. I'm like, nah, we're good, we're good, we're good. We're not gonna see no market. It's gonna be next week. It's gonna be next week. And fucking Friday came in and we got beat up, dude. Son of a bitch. After I made a video saying the bull run was back and shit, huh? You liar, you're a liar. Well, now I was like, you know, we're you know, the bull run's kind of back. But damn, I mean, the SPY don't lie. You can look at the chart. I mean, it's there. I mean, damn, I don't know. You can look at the 1 day. You can look at the hour chart. I mean, you could just make money off the SPY. You just got to come in and learn your tools. What tools you need to do. This is like a motherfucker buying a $5,000 snap-on scanner and he don't know what the hell he's looking at. You know what? You know how much money you're gonna make with that $5,000 snap-on scanner? Not a goddamn dime. You know why? Because you don't know what the fuck you're looking at. That's probably the best. That's the best. Like, you know, yeah, that's the best way to explain it. This is like literally buying an expensive ass snap-on scanner and not knowing what the fuck you're doing with it. Look at it. It's right there. It don't lie. I'm telling you, Monday we're fucked, bro. I hate to tell you, everybody, we're fucked come Monday. All right? I'm just going to say it out loud because hopefully it won't happen and we'll be good Monday, all right? But full transparency, I do expect us to be pretty nasty coming into Monday. So everybody better fucking shine your armor on, get your helmet ready, get that shit nice and shiny, because goddamn, it's gonna accelerate very fast. Appreciate that. Always more work to do. And this week we got you Upstart, Chewy. Yeah, Chewy's a good company, man. Solid. Apple and ROBLOX. Let's go, baby. I cannot agree with you more, Cobbs. I mean, I'm already in all those ones except for Chewy, and I have a little Upstart. But yeah, I'm not in Chewy anymore. But Apple and Roblox to the moon, baby. I think those motherfuckers are gonna kill it. But yeah, I think we're gonna see a lot of blood coming in. I mean, the chart does not fucking lie. It looks nasty the way this shit is accelerating. The last time I seen, I mean, this one kind of was a little scary, but not really, just because it held up on the 22. But yeah, I'm expecting some shit like this one right here. No bullshit. Either this one or this one over here. You know what we won't see, though? We won't see this shit unless we go back into lockdown, because this was full lockdown. So, like, I mean, you gotta see full lockdown. How much did this shit drop? It dropped a lot, right? Whew. Yeah, we lost a lot that day. So, I mean, full lockdown would probably bring us back down to, like, right here, 280, okay? $280,000. You want to come make bets right now? Let's make some bets, everybody. Let's say we go back into full lockdown. I think we'll hit 281 bucks on the SPY. Maybe 291 full lockdown if it happens, because they did the same shit on the Spanish flu. They reopened everything up, they sent everybody back to work and all that bullshit, the kids to school, and guess what? The Spanish flu came back and said, "Bop, motherfucker." This week is about to be. I mean, I feel it, bro. I feel it, Cobbs. Like, I mean, I hate being the bad news bearer. I hate being it, but somebody needs to keep shit real. This is not all rainbows and fucking sunshine. The charts don't fucking lie, dude. They're right there looking at it. It's looking at me in my face. It looks like this setup. It looks almost like this setup over here. Just disgusting. Especially because there ain't no wick on the bottom. No, especially because there's no wick on the bottom, really. Oh, fuck you. We'll see, though. I'm excited, though. Hope you guys got your dry powder ready to go, ladies and gentlemen, because this is going to be probably the best buying opportunity in your lifetime. I mean, next to being on a full lockdown like we saw with coronavirus. But, I mean, like I said, the possibility of that happening is very slim. Damn, dude, APPL just smacked it, though. They held up solid, though. I think they're going to kick ass. I really don't know much about APPL. I got to look into them. But apparently, Apple's been kicking their ass. And if we're going to, in the lockdown SPY, pack up and go, right? I'm telling you, dude. And I'm a little worried. I'm not gonna say worried, but I am pretty excited though about it. I really am. Cobbs, you on Twitter? Hit me up on Twitter, bro. I know you still trying. You got a little YouTube channel going over there. We need to do some work together, bro. Twitter or Instagram? I know you're on one of them. But yeah, Twitter's where it's at, dude. I still, like I said the other day, man, I was in that damn little room. Yes, sir, for sure. Isaac's trade, baby. Same thing. I made it easy. Same profile picture. Wait, no, actually, I changed it up. I was in there. I helped out the humble community. One of the humble community members. They sent me a new profile picture for my Twitter. It's got 2 Doge characters, which is me and my wife, with the humble thing in the back. So I was like, I'll use it. I'll help you guys out. I mean, because I still do have a small position in humble. But yeah, you know, them poor humble guys, they be getting beat up on that company, man. Humble's been getting smashed for a while. I mean, it's got to do good. I mean, because it's tied in with NFTs and everything. But, man, I still cannot believe how big the community has gotten over there on Humble. I mean, they got literally, we went from literally like 15 people to 300 people in a room. I'm like, damn. But, yeah, Humble community, they've been getting smashed on. I mean, a lot of people are locked in up here at the $7, $6 range. I mean, shit, I bought in at like 74, 75 cents. Definitely at Twitter and Instagram. We got the same name too. Hell yeah, bro. Hey, send me a fucking a friend's request on both of them. That way we can do something together. We'll figure it out. I like what you're in on too, Cobbs. I like your plays. I mean, you ain't one looking after fucking. You ain't looking for no rain. You ain't looking for the boogeyman. You ain't looking for no crazy ass short squeezes and shit like that. You know what I mean? We ain't looking for unicorns at the end of the day. I want to hold solid companies, and like I've been telling everybody, my strategy is make this shit for free. You put in $1,000. Once you're able to get back $1,000, you take that $1,000 out and you leave whatever the fuck's left in the company, and you use that $1,000 in another company. Preferably, you make it get to 2,000 so you can take 1,000 and leave 1,000 in the company, and you basically have the same position. You know what I mean? But it's free. It's free, and then you got your $1,000 back. That's what I mean by free. It's really not that hard, right? Yeah, makes sense. That's why a lot of people are like, what do you mean by free shares? You mean like by showing your YouTube, or not your YouTube, but your Webull and your Robinhood account? No, bro. I mean by making them free. You play a $1,000 play. That $1,000 play goes to $2,000. You take your $1,000 back, and it's free. Risk free. Free, risk free. It sounds good, right? Yeah, sir. Let that motherfucker go to zero. Shit, let AMC go bankrupt. I don't give a fuck. You know what I mean? I'm not selling none of my shares in AMC because they're all free. And then some. They're way more than free. They paid for themselves tenfold. Fuck the bullshit. Once an investor is able to make his shares risk-free, he is actually more viable to the company because he is never ever going to sell because there's no reason for him to sell. I mean, once investors realize that, that is a game changer right there. I mean, that works with $50. I mean, you turn a company, you put $50 and you get your $50 back, keep those $50 shares, go on to another one. You know what I mean? And just keep doing the same thing over and over. Laura, how are you doing, Laura? Happy Sunday. I hope you're ready for a fantastic Monday. Even though, like I was just telling everybody, I think Monday's going to be fucked up, just looking at the charts. But, I don't think it's going to end bad on Monday. I think we'll start bad Monday and we'll recover. I don't know. I just hope it's not like this, how it was back here. But doing good. 908. What happened last time, 908? Look at this. Was September last time. Okay? This was September last time. Everybody think about that. Remember, this was September last year. Look at how September looked. It looked fucked and it was everywhere. So just prepare yourselves. Use the SPY as what it is, an index, a fucking indicator. It lets you know what's going on. But yeah, it's right there. It doesn't lie. It's in, I'm not going to say black and white, but it's in, what is that? Black, blue, red, green, yellow, red. Fuck. But I think we'll be good, though. We'll be good. Damn, that's going to be scary once we come close down to the 151. Shit, fuck the 200-day moving average because that's way down here. We're looking at the 152. That's scary. That puts fucking the SPY right here at 132, possibly 135. You know what? I don't even want to talk about it no more. Damn, 129. You imagine if the SPY gets back right here, how many people are going to freak out? Because even back here, the SPY was at fucking 392 and we dropped down to 370 back here. The SPY was killing it back here. I remember this time right here. Because actually, I was long on the SPY when this happened. I had long calls on the SPY and I got clipped. 356 and the SPY slipped all the way down at 323. Ah, shit. Man, I'm out. Shit, I'm out. I'll be right back. There we go. Right. Everything looks bad. Nah, just play. Nah, I mean, but I mean, I was looking at this. I've been looking at the SPY for quite a while. I mean, I always look at the SPY. Everybody knows I do, but I guess I should have been a little bit more transparent about what I was watching. But yeah, I definitely have been watching September, considering what happened last year. Since I've been shit. Fuck. Even this September this year over here was the same thing. Look at how much we sold off from September down to the next month. So like I said, September is a shuffle your position. It's a reallocate your positions. We're almost on the end of the year. But usually we kind of run it up towards the end of the year, the last couple months. Because remember, September we still got Fed Pal. We're looking at Fed Pal. Tomorrow we got SPI coming out. So, I mean, that's why it looks so nasty right here, because there's always so much information coming out. And then Fed Pal doesn't speak for this whole month, not until, yeah, so we'll see. I'm excited, though. But, yeah, it looks pretty nasty, though, thinking about it. This September, I hope everybody's ready. Hold the fuck on. Because look at, September back then was nasty. It was fucked up. Good times, though. Good times. But, yeah, back at what I'm looking at, though. I mean, the SPY is only one thing. But there's always another play to be made out there. I mean, Rocket Labs should be killing it. Zynga should do well off of the Apple news. AQST Therapeutic. I'm really excited to see what we're going to do coming in on Monday. Because, I mean, granted, what happened last week? We still got 43 cents compared to what we came into. Because last week we were at, barely at $4 pre-market. It was like $3.99, $4 and change maybe. I mean, we still got 40 cents on AQST Therapeutic after a bloody week. Yeah, it looks nasty, though. Looks good. Woo, man. I'm telling you. You know how emotional everyone's going to be tomorrow? I'm excited. Oh, yeah, I'm excited. So what else are we looking at? Well, let me see. ETC? What's ETC doing? Huh? Yo, you mean to tell me ETC just gapped up a few minutes ago? Really? Where the fuck is it at? Oh, wow. ETC did kind of get a little runner on it right there. Okay, we got a little bit of steam coming up under our wings. What time is it right now? Okay, it's 3:19. 3:19. You gotta wait till about. Wow, I like where SC is right now, though. But yeah, no, I'm ready for a pretty good Monday, though. Well, where are we? I hope everybody is too. It's going to be phenomenal coming into this week. Because once September's over, then we're back in the game. October's here. October's fun time. September is the best time because that's when you actually have the best. It's the most volatile, so you have the best time to actually come in and, grab. You got the best time to come in and grab some of these companies at a very cheap price. You just got to be on top of it early. Yeah, I don't know what happened on Friday, but we got like 7 dislikes that day. They said we don't like this guy. That was good. Yeah, I'm waiting on the CPI, though. CPI is what I'm looking at, and then Fed Pal. Because like I said, I think a lot of people are running around all crazy until Fed Pal speaks. All the children are acting up. Damn, we lost a bunch of motherfuckers right there right now. Everything looks bad. Yep, but what time is it right now? We've been live for about an hour 20 minutes, so we'll keep this live for about another 10 minutes because we did push it pretty far on yesterday. I was like, we'll be here for an hour and a half, and I ended up keeping it on for almost 3.5 hours. Well, yeah, I'm definitely gonna end up going to sleep early tonight, so that way I could be up early in the morning. I plan on waking up hella early tomorrow, so I can actually try to see get my bearing on what we're looking at. I'm gonna keep an eye on China and all the Asian markets first thing in the morning. That's why I want the Bloomberg, because the Bloomberg gives you more access to everything. I mean, the Bloomberg's expensive as fuck. It's like $2,000 a month, but I mean, it's worth it. I mean, I looked at Vortex, and I mean, almost $200 a month for Vortex. I mean, the Google terminal gives you way more information. I mean, it's expensive as fuck, but I mean, it's a long-term investment for myself. But I do want to get the Bloomberg terminal by the beginning of the year. For 2022, I want to have a Bloomberg terminal, and I want to be on point with our shit. You got to get that. That's the plan for the markets tomorrow. Pre-market should be real interesting. Yep. Yeah, it's gonna be real interesting tomorrow. It's gonna give us a bearing on what's gonna happen tomorrow. It's gonna play key role. Actually, I gotta look at the futures real quick too. Fuck, hang on, I gotta bring up my Fidelity. I don't have I need to put Fidelity on this computer so you guys can see what I'm looking at on Fidelity. But it's the computer. I need to switch over my whole thing then, because the iMac Mini I use for my stream is only the smallest one. It's the M1 chip one, but only has like 200 gigabytes of hard drive on it. It's like maxed out basically, so I gotta switch it over to one of my other iMac Minis. The other Mini I have actually is the better one, and this other Mac sucks. This one's slow. Yeah, but I looked at Vortex. Vortex gives you the short interest and everything is actually later compared to the Bloomberg. Even the Bloomberg doesn't give you like up to date shit, but it's a lot more. It's better than the Vortex shit. Bloomberg for sure is a cheat code, right? That's what I'm saying, baby. That's what I'm trying to tell everybody. Everybody's like, nah, get the Vortex, get the Vortex. I'm like, nah, dude, you don't understand the power of a Bloomberg terminal. Like, that shit gives you everything. We can look and see what the fuck China's buying right now. We can see, like, at the grocery store, are they buying more wheat or are they buying more corn? Like, I mean, it breaks it down like that. It gives you everything. The Vortex one's cute and all, but I mean, nah, the Bloomberg is where it's at. I'd rather pay, Dogecoin. What are we doing, Dogecoin? Got a little gas on Doge. Yeah, but not by next year, I'll have a Bloomberg terminal for my chat. I mean, even if it's not for the chat, for myself, I mean, it'll pay for itself fucking, oh, wow. Wow, Doge. Wow. Really? That's how we're going to do some shit, huh, Dogecoin? You're just going to come in and just fucking gas it like that. Oh, wow. You just want to keep going, huh? Let's get another one in there. That's weird. Especially looking at the time sales. That's crazy, dude. What the fuck? That makes no sense. Like, wait, hang on. Let me look at is it algorithm trading? Or what? 734? Not really. 734. I mean, not really a whole lot of algorithm trading going on there. So what the hell justifies that huge ass jump? Just investors coming in and buying it, or what the fuck, dude? It's not algorithm trading at all. I don't see none of it on the time sales. That's weird. Yo, that was weird. We just ran it up like a whole fucking, almost a whole half a cent. Yeah, Bloomberg. I mean, I think like a lot of these other YouTubers out there, if they realize that, because I had Vortex for a little while, but nah, bro. I mean, it's not there. Bloomberg's where it's at. Oh shit, SC coin. Come on, SC coin. Get back up about 2 cents. If you can get back, oh man, we still got a long way to go for SC coin. 2 cents is way the hell up here. 2 cents is like right here. Oh shit, come on. Wow, Dogecoin's gas in it. Wasn't Crypto Millionaire was just saying that Dogecoin was easy? Like, it's good. That was a nice volume in there though. We'll get it. all due time. I think I've only been on YouTube since what? Hell, I don't even remember. I got look. It's been like 4 months now, 5 months maybe. I had a lot of guys in the beginning pumping the shit out of my channel, but they were over in Afghanistan and Pakistan area, so they kind of got clapped off of Biden. So low key, I really do not like Biden because he kind of fucked with a lot of shit. I had a lot of Middle Eastern friends that were helping me out on my channel a lot. Like what he did is just fucking dirty, dude. Wow, there goes Dogecoin at 25 cents. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I had a lot of my little Habibi friends over there help me out in fucking Afghanistan and all those areas over there. Especially Afghanistan. I had a lot of people over there in Afghanistan that helped me out. Wow, Dogecoin's back at 25 cents. That shit gassed it. Let's see, how's that going to play down on the rest of the market? Where's crypto at? Crypto market cap. Oh, are we back about at 2.1? 2.09. Okay, we're back up one. There we go. Okay. Bitcoin did go down a little bit, but it's back up at 55 or 45, 35. Damn, where's all the money going if it's not going into Bitcoin? Cosmo. Atom. A lot of people are applying in Atom and Algo. And that Tron one. Harmony. The Graph, isn't the Graph a new one? The Graph's a new one, that GRT one. Because I actually just got free shares from Coinbase from CRT or GRT. You know what? Even this TRX one, I just got free shares from fucking Coinbase from them too. Cycoin. Okay, looks like we're taking a change here up in the whole crypto market cap. A little bit. We might be getting our footing back. That was weird right there for ETC to gap up like that. Couldn't have been a gap though. Weeble's a little funny. No, it was a gap. You mean to tell me Ethereum Classic gapped it up $1? Yeah, sure. Hit me up over there though on Twitter, cause me and you we'll get together to try to do some shit together, man. Host a Twitter space and get it going. Twitter space is where it's at on Twitter, man. You get a good little community built up on Twitter space. Let me tell you, bro. Actually, I need to start putting humble in my title too. A lot of the humble community guys were asking me, and the girls were asking me to talk. I mean, I do talk about humble a lot. I mean, even not about the company, but I do talk about the community, which, I mean, community's better than the company. Hell. Come on, crypto, get back up to 2.1. Oh, there's still games going on right now too, huh? I think there is. Oh shit, it's already 3:30. What time is it? How long have we been here? All right, we got about less than, it's already 1:30. We'll keep it here for about less than another 1 minute. I want to thank everybody for coming in, and I hope everybody's ready for coming in on Monday. I mean, like I said, I'm gonna keep it real. Looking at the chart, looking at the SPY. It looks nasty what we're about to see, because look at this was last September. So full transparency with everybody. Like, I mean, where we are right now is where we were last September, right here. This was September 11th last year. This is where we are coming in, this would be the Monday, which was red. So we'll end up seeing another red coming to Monday. I'm not trying to spook nobody. Like I said, I ain't trying to, cause no FOMO, but the charts don't lie. It's there. So just be prepared, man. We'll be back for the next stream. Hell yeah, Cobbs. I appreciate you. I appreciate everybody coming in here. And like I said, every day I will be live. I don't give a shit if it's for an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours. But when market is open, shit, I will be here every day calling out shots. I appreciate everybody coming in. Hope to catch you guys coming in Monday. And like I said, get your armor ready. Be prepared. Get some insurance. Not a recommendation, but find some insurance out there. I'm out. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.